runtime in script. It is also possible that we handle the password at runtime. For doing this, I am going to install the Metasploitable 2 in virtual machine, and I will show you how we can get access to the server and how we can handle or execute some command remotely, and I will show you how to use it. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to search for Metasploitable. First we need to download it. Okay, so search on Google for Metasploitable, and you see there is some introduction about the Metasploitable and how we can install it. So there is two things, okay, SourceForge and also the Rapid7. I'm going to go to Rapid7 website to see if it is available to download it or not. So here it is. It gives me some introduction and how to use it. Okay, we don't have any download option here, so I need to go back, and then I will go to this website. Let's see, maybe that is available right over here, and we will be able to download it and use it. Okay, so come on, the network connection is not enough strong to load it a bit faster. So here it is. So we have the Metasploitable. Okay, the Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine brought by Rapid7 user. Okay, this week this much person downloaded this, and the last update was 2019, and we have the download button here that we can download it. Okay, perfect. And it is nice, right? Now I'm going to hit the download button from here and see that what is going to happen. So from here you see your download will start in 1 second, and let's see if is it going to start or not. So if there is any kind of problem in downloading that, so you can go with problem downloading, and if you don't have, okay, thank you for downloading. Okay, keep me updating, so I will not let him to keep me on updates. Okay, the download did not start it, I think. Let me go to download, and you see that it is not started. Okay, so let's go to files from here, and into the file you see we have the Metasploitable 2 here, that it's the last updated, and this is the all-time okay, this week download. So I'm going to hit this Metasploitable, and now it must start downloading that for me. If not, then we must be able to download it from here. Okay, there is 2 items, and the size is 100 megabytes. Okay, so Metasploitable login password is msfadmin. Download the latest version. Let's go with the latest version and see. It must start downloading it for me. Okay, here it is. It started to downloading it. Okay, it's Metasploitable Linux 2. So I already have this, so I'm going to cancel this. Okay, and I will take you to that folder that I already downloaded. So here it is, Metasploitable 2. When I open this, you see we have this much file, and I'm going to show you how to install this in virtual machine. Okay, so you have to download virtual machine as well. Okay, how to download virtual machine? Let me search for VirtualBox, And here it is, the VirtualBox. When I search for it and hit it, it will give me that. Okay, you can download this for Windows, and also you can install it on Linux. So here it is, the download option. From here you can download it for Windows, Mac and Linux distribution, and you need to install this in your system. Okay, if you're using Windows or Linux or even Mac. Okay, so I will leave that for you, so you do that. Okay, and now it is time to go and search for VirtualBox. Okay, so I already installed this VirtualBox, and I will remove this one, okay, and delete all the files. So from here, within this VirtualBox machine, I will show you how to create a new machine, and it is going to be Metasploitable. Okay, and also from here choose the Linux machine and hit next. And also it is going to be, the base memory is going to be about 1 gigabyte, and also this much memory size, or here we have use an existing virtual hard disk file, and select this, and also come right over here and then select the machine that you downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to come right over here, and then from here open the Metasploit. Okay, I already deleted this, so I need to go back to document and then Metasploitable. So we don't have it. Okay, I will be unzipping that and then I will be back. Okay, the add once again, and then come to document. From here go to Metasploitable and open this. Here it is, we have a file here. It is 1.9 GB and the extension is VMDK. So I select that and then hit open. So right now it is added. I will select choose, and after that I hit next, again next, or finish. So here it is ready now. I'm going to start this. Okay, let's see if is it going to start successfully or not. Okay, so okay, it has started successfully and we are ready now to use it. Okay, let's wait for a moment. We will be having the login page, and the username and password is msfadmin, as I showed you before. Okay, in this page, let me show you that once again so you remember it and do not forget it. Okay, into the file, it was into the file, I think. From here, maybe right over here, we had that summary or file. Okay, it's msfadmin. Here it is. The default login and password is msfadmin, msfadmin. Okay, and let me move back to here. Here it is, we have it, and you see Metasploitable login. I'm going to write msfadmin, hit enter, and for password msfadmin, hit password. So here it is, we have it. We are into the home page now. If I use ls, you see we have one folder by the name of vulnerable, and now it is ready to use it. Okay, and also one more thing, okay, I will show you that in the next video.